Hey guys, so today we're going to discuss on the three important words, that is on what is drafting, pleading and conveyancing. So by the end of this video, you'll get a clear picture on how to utilize or use this word in the legal field in much more densified manner. So without any further delay, let's get started. So now let's look upon to the first word on what is drafting. So drafting refers to the act of writing a legal document. For example, if you're writing a legal document, that act of writing a legal document is considered as drafting. So in a drafting, it contains a huge amount of brief knowledge about significant facts of the situation and the issues in a much densified manner. So drafting, in a simple understanding, it's like a document which you're drafting for any kind of legal purposes. Second word is what is pleading. So pleading is basically done in the court when there is a violation or where there is a breach of a legal right, or even for a claiming of legal relief, pleadings are done. It is being done by plaintiff as well as for defendant, depending upon the gravity of the issue. So that's more about pleading, and pleading can be in the form of written as well as oral statements. So as such, it plays a very important role. Now let's discuss on what is conveyancing. So conveyancing is an art of drafting deeds and legal documents whereby any right, title or interest, intangible, immovable property is transferred from one person to another. An example can be a relationship between owner and tenant where there is a deed in agreement prepared while an owner gives away his land to the tenant for a certain time period. As such, the tenant's obligation is to pay him back through rent. Before that, a small agreement is basically prepared, a mutual understanding between both the parties in which certain obligations, restrictions, rights, liabilities, all that would be mentioned. So it is basically a transfer of title from one person to other person. Even if you want, you can even consider as an example of selling of a land from an owner to an next other party. So while selling, there's an agreement again prepared. So all this comes as a part of a contract. So that is mainly about conveyancing. It is like a tool or document or transfer of title in a simple understanding. So guys, by this we can understand on what is drafting, pleading and conveyancing. So just to summarize, drafting, it's like a act of writing a legal document, and pleading, you just go up to the court for pleading when there is a violation of a legal right, depending on the gravity of the issue. And conveyancing, to a simple understanding, it's like a legal document in which there's for a possession of a land, or for example, if you want to be as a tenant, an agreement is basically prepared as a form of transfer of title. So as such, conveyancing plays a very important role. So guys, by this we come to a conclusion on getting a proper understanding of what is drafting, pleading and conveyancing. So guys, that's all for today. So if you do like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you so much.